YouTube script summary, friction, force, push and pull. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Physics Notes channel. Today we will learn about force, push and pull, and friction in a simple and easy way. Force is a push or pull that can change the state of motion or rest of an object. When we move an object away from us, it is called a push, and when we bring an object toward us, it is called a pull. Examples include pushing a box, pushing a door, pulling a cart, or pulling a bucket from a well. According to Newton's second law, force causes acceleration. When a block is pushed on a rough surface, friction acts in the opposite direction and resists motion. For a pushing force, the required force is given by
F równa się ma plus mu miligrama.
Friction is a force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. It always acts opposite to the direction of motion. There are four main types of friction: static friction, kinetic friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Static friction prevents motion from starting, kinetic friction acts during sliding, rolling friction acts on rolling objects, and fluid friction acts in liquids and gases. The frictional force depends on the nature of the surfaces, the force pressing the surfaces together, and lubrication. The basic law of friction states that friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction.
F propto N.
Friction is very useful in our daily life. It helps us walk, hold objects, write with a pen, and stop vehicles using brakes. However, excessive friction can cause wear and tear, generate heat, waste energy, and reduce machine efficiency. In conclusion, force, push, pull, and friction are fundamental concepts in physics that explain how objects move and interact. Understanding these concepts helps us understand many real-life situations around us. Now, let's discuss friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. It always acts opposite to the direction of motion. Without friction, we could not walk, write, or stop vehicles using brakes. There are four main types of friction. Static friction acts when an object is at rest. Kinetic friction acts when an object is sliding. Rolling friction acts when an object rolls on a surface. Fluid friction acts when an object moves through air or water. The kinetic frictional force is calculated by F K mi K
N.
The maximum static friction is F
S max.
mi S.
N.
Here, mu is the coefficient of friction and n is the normal reaction force. Important points. Friction always opposes motion. Friction can be both useful and harmful. Force can change the speed, direction, and shape of an object. The SI unit of force is Newton, N. Resultant force is the single force that has the same effect as all forces acting together. Short conclusion. Force causes motion, while friction resists motion. Both are essential in our daily life. Understanding force and friction helps us explain how objects move, stop, and interact with their surroundings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handwritten physics notes and easy physics explanations. Rocket Books.